Well, you can't talk about developing a hub here without talking about political support, because this is really all about political will.
I think the best federal asset we have in this region is leadership, working not only with governmental entities and regulations, helping to smooth the way through the red tape. They're going to have a partner to help them get to where they need to get to in a quicker and more appropriate fashion.
We are just so pleased to be working with such a dedicated group of Democrats and Republicans, of elected officials and appointed officials that absolutely get it, that they know that this energy hub is a historic opportunity to grow the economy for the greater Philadelphia region, to create jobs for individuals that live in this region.
They're jobs that are tenacious, and you can have them for a career, for a lifetime. You could raise families, you can do all of those good things, and they're there, but you have to have those manufacturing jobs. And what do you need to have manufacturing? You've got to have the resources to do it, and you have that opportunity in here to have those